You're watching Drive Depth, the place where horsepower meets perspective. We dive deep into the vehicles that matter, the ones that excite, and the ones that push the boundaries of what cars and trucks can do. If you love smart, no fluff car content, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the 2026 Dodge Durango, a bold return to form for one of Dodge's most iconic SUVs. And let me tell you, this year's model doesn't just aim to keep up with the competition. It wants to dominate it. From the outside, the 2026 Durango looks like it just finished a workout and walked out of a wind tunnel. It's beefy, muscular, and more refined than ever. Dodge has sharpened the design with aggressive LED headlights, a revised front fascia, and a grille that looks ready to eat pavement. The rear end's been cleaned up, with slimmer taillights and a more sculpted bumper. It's got presence. Whether it's in your driveway or in your rearview mirror, you're going to notice this SUV. Now, under the hood, this is where things get really interesting. The 2026 Durango offers multiple powertrain options, but the standout is the all-new twin-turbo inline-six engine, dubbed the Hurricane. It replaces the outgoing Hemi version 8S in most trims, but don't worry, it's not a downgrade. This engine delivers up to 540 horsepower in the high-output version, which means it's faster, more efficient, and cleaner than the old V8. If you're after raw muscle, it still delivers. 0 to 60 in around 4.5 seconds. In a 3-row SUV. That's not just fast, that's wild. Of course, Dodge hasn't forgotten about towing. The Durango still tows like a champ, with up to 8,700 pounds of towing capacity when properly equipped. Whether you're pulling a boat, a trailer, or a couple of jet skis, this thing handles it with ease. Inside, Dodge has finally brought the Durango's cabin into the future. The materials are upscale, with more soft touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and available leather throughout. A massive 14.5-inch touchscreen sits in the center of the dash, running the latest Uconnect 6 system. It's fast, clean, and surprisingly intuitive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with a fully digital gauge cluster that you can customize to your liking. Passenger space is generous in all 3 rows, and the second-row captain's chairs on higher trims make longer trips way more comfortable. Cargo space is also solid, with more room than you'd expect when you fold down the rear seats. On the road, the 2026 Durango feels planted and confident. The steering is tight for a vehicle this size, and Dodge has tuned the suspension to strike a good balance between comfort and performance. It soaks up bumps without feeling floaty, and on curvy roads, it holds its line impressively well. Even the base model is well equipped, but move up to the RT or SRT trims, and you're getting performance-tuned suspension, upgraded brakes, and a whole new level of driver engagement. Tech and safety, it's all there. Adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking. Dodge finally caught up to the pack in terms of driver assist features, and for 2026, most of them come standard. Here's the bottom line. The 2026 Dodge Durango is still the muscle SUV we love, but now it's smarter, more refined, and built for the future. Whether you're hauling gear, hauling the family, or just hauling down the freeway, it delivers in every category that counts. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Durango, hit that like button, subscribe to Drive Depth, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's next. We've got more reviews, comparisons, and honest takes on the cars you care about.